Hey friends, if you encounter the error product activation failed or this product is unlicensed on Microsoft Office, something like this, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have a genuine license. If you do, then open the File Explorer window, go to this PC, C drive, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Office 16, right click on this file which is OSPPREARM, right click on this one and select run as administrator and click on yes and wait for it to run as administrator. And once this is done, then you can open any Microsoft Office application like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, anything that you want to, and try working in it, and the problem will be resolved. But there's an exception to it. The exception is that this solution will work only if your license is genuine. If your license is not genuine and it reads product activation and failed at the top right corner, then there's nothing you can do about it because you're using a fake license. And we do not advise that. We advise you to buy a plan from the Microsoft Office company. And also, if you are sure that you have a plan but it's not working, then you can always go to Microsoft 365 and then renew your license. So I can always log into it and then renew my license. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.